Hey, it's Dr. Scott Watson with a very brief video on how to put in time signature and key signature changes in a Logic project. If you think about your project ahead of time and know where those key signature changes are and time signature changes, it's best to put them in ahead of time. You don't have to do that. You can do it as you go. It just means if you recorded some things that sort of conflict with those signature changes, you'll have to re-record those tracks. So I'm going to show you just a blank project here. We have piano bass drums and a rock organ, so you can see that it's going to be across the different tracks. We don't have anything recorded in it yet though, and we're going to go from the premise that we want to add the signature changes. Okay, just a few things. I recommend that you go into Logic's Preferences, General, and then select the Advanced area, and just make sure you have Show Advanced Tools. That gives you more options, so we're going to make sure that's there. The other thing is, if you're going to be putting in these signature changes, I think it's best if you go into the track menu here, Global Tracks, and say Show Signature Track, right? Then you're going to see the key and the time signature in this area, and that's where we're going to do the changes. We're going to put the playhead wherever we want to change. Like, so let's say the first thing, by the way, I would do all your time signature changes first. So let's say that at the end of a phrase, instead of having the eighth measure be a measure of 4/4, you wanted it to be a measure of 2/4, right? We just put the playhead right there at measure 8. By the way, I can zoom in a little bit if you can't see that that's 8. There we go. We can see it's measure 8. And then I'm going to change this to a measure of 2/4. So down here is 2/4. And notice now in the signature track we have that it's 2/4. But then maybe by measure 9, let me click over here, we want to go back to 4/4. So it's just a change for the end of that phrase. Now we're back into 4/4. And you get the idea. It's very easy to do it. Now, things like 6/8 are going to really rock the metric alignment. So I'm going to just show you like a 6/8 here. Boom. Now we're 6/8 for a while, and if we want to go back to 4/4, right, we can just do that right here. Okay, so again, I think it's best to think through your whole arrangement, put those time signature changes in before you actually start recording. So now when you record to your click track, you're going to record right through those time signature changes. But you can do it as you go. All right, let's go back to the beginning. We started this in the key of F. Let's say when we go back to 4/4 here, we want to take it up a step to the key of G. So we already have our playhead at measure 13. Now we're going to say, let's take this up a step to G major. And boom, now it's in G major. So that's as easy, it's as simple as that, right? You just put the playhead where you want it in the signature track, and then you choose. You could also do like right click or control click to do a time signature or key signature change, but I was just doing it from the LCD readout up there. Hey, I just want to show you one more thing too. Say you do have a lead sheet in a notation program like Finale, and you export from Finale as a MIDI map rather than all the notes and rhythms and everything, just a MIDI map. It's just going to take the different time signatures out of your lead sheet document. So here's the Finale MIDI map that I'm just importing into a blank area of the track window. Just drop it in. Sure, we'll take the tempo changes too. So I just want you to see what happens here is that now all the changes that were in the original Finale document, like the 2/4, 4/4, 2/4, 4/4, now they're imported automatically into Logic. I don't have to actually go through either right-clicking or using the time signature up in the LCD. I can just have it imported. So that's a MIDI map that you can actually export from Finale or Sibelius or any of these high-end notation apps. Anyway, that hopefully will help you putting in time signature changes, and then you can see that key signature changes are just as simple as putting the playhead where you want it and then choosing your new key, and voila, we're in the new key. All right, good luck.